Renew Medic is a specialty restoration franchise focused on cabinet disaster restoration for residential properties. The brand evolved from the long-established Furniture Medic network, where several franchisees built large-scale businesses specializing in cabinet restoration services for insurance-related damage. Renew Medic was created as a dedicated brand to deliver these specialized restoration services in the disaster recovery industry. Franchise owners provide cabinet removal, restoration, rebuilding, and reinstallation services for homes affected by fire, water, or other damage. Instead of full kitchen replacements that can take months and cost significantly more, the Renew Medic model restores and reinstalls existing cabinetry in a fraction of the time and cost. This solution is highly valued by insurance companies and homeowners, creating consistent demand and strong referral relationships. The business model focuses on B2B relationships with insurance carriers, claims adjusters, and mitigation companies that generate ongoing lead flow. With structured systems, training, and operational support, franchisees operate in a growing niche restoration segment with scalable revenue potential and recurring project opportunities. Franchise owners receive both technical and business training, including restoration processes, cabinet rebuilding, insurance relationship development, and operational management. Ongoing mentorship and support help owners establish and grow strong relationships within their local insurance and restoration networks. The initial total investment is $423,111. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Renew Medic to your top picks and request the InfoPack today.